Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Dumbass, dude. Oh, hell no.
Current loop video is now locked.
You're pull your ass over right now! Pull your ass over! Pull your ass over! Dude, you need to pull over right now. I'm calling the cops. I have your plate. You just hit my car. You need to pull over or give me your insurance. I have you on camera. Okay, pull over right here. Dude, all you had to do is just pull over, man. If you hit somebody's car, you pull over. Drive. This guy gonna turn left?
So straight. Oh my gosh. Somebody got it. What is he doing? Justin, now there's the
What an idiot.
Justin, there's the other one behind you there?
No, he's still in the other lane. Like, what a complete...
All of these guys that live out in the middle of freaking no...
Oh!
What the... Jesus Christ, man!
هم نگهبان داره شبا هوا دور میزنه حواسش هست به اینجا چیزا عزیزم اون تو عزیزم اون تو دیگه تقصیر من نبودش که
نه اون یه دفعه بعد ترمز کرد.
I want to go that way. You're blocking traffic. I want to go that way. I want to go that way. What? You're blocking traffic. Dude, I'm not bagging up. You bag up. You have a tiny car. Bag up. I want to park. No, dude. You work for UW. Holy shit. You're an idiot, dude. You're an idiot. You're in the wrong lane. You're supposed to be up there. You're an idiot. I'm not backing up, dude. You're an idiot, dude. You're a freaking idiot.
Thank you for calling the University of Wisconsin-Madison Transportation Services office. Our office is currently closed.
This dude expects me to bag up. This expected me to bag up. I was here first. And this idiot's in the wrong lane. His vehicle is supposed to be closer to that pilot vehicle. It's not supposed to be there. And I was here first. And then he told me to bag up. And now he's looking stupid.
Hello?
Hi. My name is John, and I'm in...
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Phone call completed.
Can you hear me now?
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
It's kind of breaking out, but I can kind of hear you.
Hi, so my name is John. I am sitting in the parking ramp, and there's a transportation service employee who is blocking my way.
Okay.
And I'm wondering if you could ask if somebody could come here to get him to move. He just started backing up. He just started back. This. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay, everything's good though?
Yeah, we're good. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is what you were supposed to do from the beginning. Hi. Are you that person's boss?
No, sir.
You're not?
No, sir. I'm a coworker.
Do you know why he chose to drive in the wrong lane around the corner?
No, I don't.
He chose to drive into incoming traffic. I was there first, and he continued to drive towards me. So even though he knew I was there first. I have it on Dashcam.
Sure.
I was there first. He watched me arrive, and then he drove into the lane that I was.
Challenging days are ahead. Speaking of the possibilities of a ceasefire deal to end the war in Gaza, Netanyahu urged patience. He said people have been in the war for months, and quote, I did not hear their voices then, and I will not succumb to them today either. Hotline for
What the f*** are you doing, lady? Come on. Jesus.
So if you are really into equations, go check this paper out. It's definitely gonna
I want a closed-up Department of Education.
Also, just a callback to something we flagged on our Love It episode. There literally seemed to be calling for the demolition of the United. In our Love It episode, there literally seemed to be calling.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.